Ah!
Alex, what's wrong? Your foot. I'm gonna go get help. Come. Alex needs help.
I'll go get Angus and I'll go get my things.
He's over there. Alex, what happened?
I was just cutting.
Oh, no. I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh, no.
Guys, you have to get it together. We're gonna fix Alex up and we're gonna take him back and we'll figure out what to do from there, okay? So let's pick him up. Can you please pass me the scissors? And the gauze. Okay, this will be good for now, but we're gonna have to leave it until I can telegraph the doctor and we can head up there.
Goodbye, good luck, have a safe journey. Hopefully that doctor can fix his foot up.
Bye. Thank you.
What are you darlings doing up here in the hard winter? Oh my goodness, come back. I got some more food for you guys. Come on, let's go. Hello, I've been expecting you. Come on in. Hi Alex, how are you doing?
I'm
How are you
alright.
doing? You good? Let me check out this foot today. Oh, good. Okay. So I got some news for you. I can't really do anything else about your foot, so Myra, props to you. You did very well, and in a year's time, you'll be walking. It'll
That's
be a
good.
long recovery, but you can make it.
Thank you.
I believe in you.
Thank you.